There are three main things you should get out of the videos about dispersion. First, you should know how to calculate the range. This is the total spread. You should also know how to calculate the standard deviation. There are a couple different spreads in relation to the mean, but this is the main one that you need to know. This is the one that's mostly accompanied by the mean. And then lastly, you need to know the interquartile range, which is IQR, and this is the dispersion around the median. And all of this makes up the spread of a distribution. So why do we need a measure of dispersion? So these two lines here are the overlay of a histogram. There's no bars, but it still shows the shape of the histograms. These two histograms are bell-shaped, and they both have the same center. So those are the two things we already talked about, the central tendency and the shape. These two histograms both have the same shape and the same center. So we need something to differentiate them because obviously they're not the same exact thing. And so how we can differentiate them is by dispersion. Dispersion is how spread out the histogram is. So if you look here, the dotted one is more spread out than the one that is less spread out and does not have a dotted line. So if you have a measure of spread, we can differentiate these two histograms.